Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to protect a row password in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. For example, let's protect a few rows and leave the rest of the worksheet unprotected. First, we need to unlock the entire worksheet, then log these rows, and finally protect the entire worksheet. Okay, click on this triangle and select the entire worksheet. Or we do the same thing using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. Now right-click anywhere on the sheet and select Format Cells. Click on the Protection tab and uncheck the Locked checkbox and click OK. Now select the required rows, hold down the Ctrl key and select the rows with the leftmost button by clicking on their numbers. Again, we right-click on any of these rows and select Format Cells. And in the Protection tab, we set a check mark in the Locked checkbox. Great, we've done most of the work. Now it remains to protect the entire sheet. Go to the Review tab and select Protect Sheet. We enter the password, then repeat it. The main thing is not to forget it later, and click OK. Great, all rows are protected and the rest of the worksheet is unprotected. Let's check it out. Try to enter something into the protected rows, and as you can see, when we try to change the cells in these rows, we get a message that the cells are protected. And in the rest of the worksheet, we can enter anything we want. It's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.